With the outbreak of COVID-19, health workers have been on their feet caring for those who tested positive for the virus. 3 health workers have since died from the pandemic, and equipping them with protective gear is a necessity.
As we are fighting this pandemic, the people who are on the front line, they also need to be protected. They are individuals like ourselves, like everybody else. They are also vulnerable like anybody else. And that number which I have cited earlier is not a small number. And I would also like to state that personal protective equipment, I normally compare them to when we get back to the basic in your own house. In your own house, you have food. Food you eat everybody. So food is consumable. The one you eat today, it will be finished. It will not come anymore. The same applies to personal protective equipment. There will never be enough.
The Industrialization, Trade and SME Development Ministry donated 10,000 medical masks and 1,000 face shields.
We know we have lost 130 lives thus far, which is not a small number to a small nation like ours. But it could have been worse if we did not do the efforts that we did under your leadership. And we saying for those life-saving responsibilities that you have taken, you receive our continued support and encouragement, and we assure you that we will always be with you.
The masks and face shields were solicited by the ministry from the Chinese embassy. Ipumbu says Namibia will soon be able to manufacture medical masks.